Today I'm going to show you a better way to make crock-pot chicken and gravy without using any gravy packets nor condensed cream soup. You will be shocked at how flavorful your chicken and gravy will be using these few simple ingredients that I'm about to show you. You may use any cut of chicken that you prefer. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breast with olive oil, and this will help the seasonings to adhere to the chicken when I mix it all up, plus it adds flavor. I will season with salt, pepper, and Mrs. Dash salt-free garlic and herb seasoning. This seasoning blend has some of everything in it. Lots of herbs and spices. I will leave the ingredients and measurements in the description box below, along with the full list of herbs and spices used in the seasoning blend. Now, I do not care what anyone says. The best gravy is made from scratch, not a gravy packet. I've added butter and flour to make a roux. This needs to cook for about 3 minutes on medium-high heat before adding any seasoning. So I'm going to use chicken bouillon powder, black pepper, and smoked paprika. Then I will add the chicken broth, and I'm going to mix until the gravy is nice and smooth. Then last, I'm going to taste and adjust my seasonings and add a little salt as needed. When you make this, if you want more gravy, then you will need to double the gravy recipe, or you can just simply add more broth to the crock pot. So as you can see, I'm pouring this delicious gravy all over my seasoned chicken. I'm going to cover and I'm going to cook this on high. And this is how it looks after 4 hours. It was very tender, as you can see. And as you know, with the crock pot, the longer you let the meats cook, the more tender it'll be. So if you plan to cook your chicken on high heat, just expect it to take anywhere from 4 to 6 hours to be done. And here it is, all plated, sitting on top of a bed of rice. And this was so delicious and very flavorful. I hope that you will try it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like my video on your way out, and I hope to catch you in the next one.